Welcome back, everybody. It's your Professor Iva Naude. I want to welcome you back today. We've got another experiment to do. Are you ready? The experiment today is about promises. I promise you that I can make this one sparkler burn underwater. Do you want to see? Let us have a look. It's going to get hot. There's my tea. Now, I promise you, it's going to be a light under the water. Oi, no, I'm sorry. I broke my promise. Can you see that so often we try to keep our promises, but we don't? It's so incredible that we need to remember that God always, never, ever lets us down. So we will look how God keeps his promise. There we have it. Oh, we got it to go again. Anyway, with God's promises, he will allow us to burn. Even though it would go under the water, it will still burn. Isn't that amazing? God is keeping his promises. Oh, it's still going. Can you see it still burning underwater? And that is how God works his promises. Oh, so much smoke. Anyway, so we've been able to find out about how God promises us everything. In the Bible, we've got lots of examples of what God's promises are. Remember Abraham and Sarah. They were old, and yet God promised them that they would have a child, and they did. Remember Noah. God promised him it was going to rain, and guess what? It rained for 40 days, 40 nights. It's amazing. God keeps his promises. And the most important promise of all is when Jesus died for us. God gave us a Savior that would be the Savior for the world, and that is Jesus. God keeps his promises. He is faithful in everything. Cheers, everybody. Hope you've learned something amazing. Please do this under adult supervision and have a very good day. Bye-bye, everybody. Professor Iva Naude saying goodbye. Cheers.